Assalamu alaikum. Let me first check, am I audible to you guys or not? Then I'll start introducing myself. Let me first check, am I audible to you guys or not? Okay, I'm totally audible, and we will start. First of all, my name is Asim Aftab. I am an Gen AI and AI student, and the reason of being here and started my live streaming journey is because of lack of communication skills and presentation skills, and increasing or making my presentation skills good. And with that being said, I need to make it more valuable for you guys. If you are watching me or if you are consuming my content, uh, I want to make it like beneficial for all of you guys, and me will start growing as well. For that reason, my first video should be an introduction video, but I dropped that idea. Uh, and make that video beneficial for you guys as well. In this live stream, we will uh, see how a Gen AI roadmap looks and how can we transform ourselves to become a Gen AI engineer or an AI engineer. Most of you guys would have been seeing the videos of no code AI agent builder or workflow developer or building products with no code. That's totally great if you have a limited or have a small goal of creating a product for smaller audience. Uh, the reason I'm saying that is when you create a no code product, you start to uh, see errors in your projects or depended on platform. Like if you created a web app on Bolt or Google AI Studio or created a workflow in Anytime, it is good. It is better, but when you deploy it on a large scale or it comes to deployment, you need to create ML pipelines, data cleaning techniques, and more of the technical skills will be needed to do that. That is not possible in no code. If no code is that beneficial and that great, every big company will start uh, creating a no code things, and everyone will be great at Gen AI or AI. These fields are more complex and more. Uh, if you see ChatGPT, you think this is a big AI model. This is not a AI model. It is a Gen AI product. LLM is an AI product or an AI at big scale, the large language model and the natural language processing in which it communicates with the user. It is deployed through code and through Python, through ML pipeline, for through data structures, and this is a big scale project. When it comes to creating that kind of a thing, you must need to be a good engineer in that. As you all may know, Gen AI and AI is different things. While AI focuses on more standardized ML models or uh, pre-created algorithms or creating a new algorithm, Gen AI focus on retrieving data from that, creating a new content and new ideas like a AI presentation maker, which I've created a presentation on as well. The purpose of AI here is to make people more productive and more efficient in their domains. AI is affecting every domain. Now, some of the creative field might mm, need uh, a more human. Every field need a mm, expert uh, in that domain. While creating a new design with the Canva AI or anything else, you need to learn design principle first. Then you will be creating new content or new ideas more effectively. Well, I have a design skill in web, so if I'm streaming here, you may have seen my streaming setup or streaming images or different transition or different scale you will see from now on. So if a non-technical or a non-design person will start doing it, it will look bad. Not because of AI is not capable of creating that design. It's your input which you've given to an AI. In which way? Like write me a presentation on that topic, or create a design, or create a thumbnail which focuses on these elements. When a designer or a graphic designer start using AI, it's a beast plus beast matchup, and they create beautiful, stunning designs. In the technical world, this also applies, and it is more efficient. If you think we will not learn code or programming and we will develop a large scale products, this is not possible. This is totally not possible. If a AI can give you code, but you have to understand that code. If you don't understand the code, how will you optimize systems? How will you optimize that product? How will you deploy this product on a larger scale? So, for reason, the big reason to start this live stream uh, is to make my presentation and technical skill more efficient, and we will grow together. What I've learned, what I know, I will teach you guys as well. If you may have more experience than me, then let me know. We will surely collaborate on that. But uh, I thought about that creating a raw or uh, videos or a live stream which is not focused on some value, it is worthless for others. It will be beneficial for me, but worthless for you. Uh, I'm here not to gain views, not to gain popularity, not to gain some kind of influencer thing. I'm here only for teaching, learning, and growing together. So we will start by seeing what is a GenAI engineer and how you will become in the next 12 months. And please, you have may seen the videos like become a six GenAI engineer in 6 months. That's not possible. You need to be consistent enough, or we are not that much consistent in our lives, focusing daily on a same topic. We are humans. We have events. We have family. We have our personal life as well. So to become absolute beast in a Gen AI, you need to see the mirror and tell yourself, is this possible or is this not possible in 6 months? But in 12 months, I think this is possible. I will make myself more expert in that field and make you as well. Uh, I have uh, a small experience in that domain, but I don't call myself as an expert because I'm not an expert in the world. No one is expert in the field because the technology is transforming, new frameworks is coming, new technologies is coming. You need to be up to date, and the major difference between an not expert or an expert is the thinking process in which we consume content and we deliver ideas. Well, if I created a product, it is a very good product, or it is a very good technology, or a better service. Uh, if I may not able to present that idea or that product well enough, so what is the purpose of creating that? There's no uh, harm in being. Please see me. I'm a kind of introvert guy. I made a decision to come to the public. There will be obstacles, there will be uh, uh, such obstacles that will make you stop many ideas, or many uh, people will start laughing on you. And reason in saying explaining everything in English is to avoid our complexes and start talking. We are good engineers, we are good students, we are uh, great, but when it comes to delivering something or communicating, we lag a lot. So, in this journey, uh, what I may know, I will deliver it to you for free. And if you need to transform your lives or creating value to yourself, see that videos and start learning. The reason for the not the reason, but we will start shortly. What is a Gen AI roadmap, and what is the importance of learning such different domains, and how this is applied in Gen AI or an AI field. I'll be right back in a minute. Please wait a bit. Okay, then, should we start the topic? Okay. Let me check something first. Okay, my screen is visible. Yeah, let me check it myself as I don't have any viewer to ask from them. Okay, well, here's the 12-month roadmap to become a generative AI engineer. Transformative journey from foundational programming to advanced generative AI mastery for aspiring engineers and freelancers as well. When you become a Gen AI engineer, before the job, you must have a side hustle to create some cash for you as well. For that, freelancing is best, but in freelancing, in every domain, there's pros and cons. To become a good freelancer, you need to be a good engineer. You need to be good Gen AI engineer. You must know the reg pipelines, the reg systems. For this roadmap, we will start by phase one, month one to two. In those 2 months, these are the core programming skills you may have know and you need to understand first. Mastering Python fundamentals, core programming skills. Understand core syntax, control flow, and functions. Work with essential data structure, list, dictionary, and tuples. Learn robust file handling and error management techniques. Foundational knowledge. Grasp object-oriented programming principles. Efficient handle data with CSV and JSON formats. Complete beginners Python and practical automation courses. You can search for the different kind of courses to learn those Python programming, as I'm not a good teacher in programming because uh, I'm a quite low in programming or coding skill, but with the Gen AI or an AI domain, you must be a master at it, master in Python programming. If you are a good Python developer or programmer, the AI is like a sweet uh, food for you. Okay. At the end of this, you need to create a small project, develop a small data cleaning script and confidential upload. Sorry, uh, the first project, develop a small cleaning script and confidently upload it onto the GitHub, uh, marking your initial steps into the world of AI. Yeah, pushing your code to the GitHub is very important. You need to learn GitHub as well, which is a very best for the best place for the developers where we can push our code and where we can present ourselves to the world. Okay, phase two. From the month three, we need to learn the essential data handling techniques in which operations, data tables mastery, basic charts, and visualization. In the array operation, we need to gain proficiency in performing complex operation on arrays crucial for scientific computing and data analysis. There you don't need to become a data scientist. You need to learn essential techniques which data scientists use, which is very beneficial for creating Gen AI product. You need to clean the data, create a tables, basic charts and visualization to see uh, you have created a good uh, thing which can be visualized as well. And you can see the charts and the visualizations as well. Okay. Engage with industry data analysis course in and Python data library to show your project, conduct an exploratory data study on a public data set applying new acquired skills. These are very essential courses and essential topics to learn, and we will start learning together as well. Okay. By the way, this presentation has made by the Gamma AI. I've created in a 5 minutes. Okay, first, I had a document in which I've written all of these things and researched a lot on that. So, and that I've given to the Gamma AI, and it created a beautiful presentation for me. For you can use Canva as well, but Canva has some limitations, and Gamma allows you to create 2 to 3 presentation free. So I've used that. Okay, phase three, the month four. You need to learn foundations of classic machine learning. What is classic machine learning? Machine learning is a very big domain. You need to grab something, grab essential topics like key ML concept, learning path, and projects. Oh, sorry. Then dive into the entry level ML fundamentals courses to build a solid theoretical and practical base. While key ML concepts are understanding the workflow from training to testing your models, implement basic models such as design trees and linear regression. In linear regression, you need to learn the mathematics as well, because here will be applied mathematics. Learn to measure accuracy and perform essential error checks. That's why the Python course is the first element to learn. First, not first element, the first course to start learning and creating, learning some machine learning, essential or classic machine learning. In the phase four and the month five, introduction to transformers and LLM basics. Now here's the LLMs come, the large language models. You need to learn the tokenization, embeddings, pre-trained models, basic text tasks. Okay, and tokenization graphs up how text is broken down into meaningful units for language models. Embeddings explore the concepts of converting text into numerical representation for machine processing. You will be understanding how these topics are connected to each other. Everything is essentials here. Essential here. I've researched a lot on that, and we need to learn specific topics in different domains. But in the LLMs, we need to learn everything from tokenization to embeddings, pre-trained models. Okay, phase five, the month six, retrieval augmented generation RAG, one of the best thing to learn while you are creating app building. It is like giving a brain to a chat model, to a AI, to see data and manipulate some things for you. Course and projects. You can learn the courses requirement building search based AI application. There are multiple courses on RAG. We will learn RAG as well. RAG is the most important thing. Now we come to phase six and the month seven. Developing API based AI application. What is the API based AI application? We would have an AI application which will make different API calls to different tools like to OpenAI, to Google, to different kind of AI models to deliver our service or to deliver our product to the end users. Okay. In this, we need to learn the chat APIs, embedding APIs, memory logic, cost awareness. While these models have cost attached to that, for which we will learn the cost awareness techniques, how to make the cost of the API call or a memory which have been retrieved from the model to make it minimum for the company or to us to uh, making a OpenAI API difficult to take dollar from us. We will learn as well. In phase 7, month 8 to 9, multi-document processing and fine-tuning. This is a very great topic and a domain to learn. Multiple document ingestion, ranking, re-ranking strategies, lightweight fine-tuning, pre-post evaluation. These are the important things to learn. We will learn that as well. I'm not diving deep into the topics because this video is not for that. This video is for the roadmap only. Okay, then in the phase 8 and the month end, fundamentals of ML ops. Why we need to learn the ML ops, the ML operations. While we have created a product, then it's need to be deployed in the cloud base, for which we need to learn the MLOps, versioning, automation pipeline, containerization, monitoring basics. These are the most important things in the ML ops to deploy your system in the cloud, in the AWS or in the Google Cloud or in the any cloud platform. We will learn one cloud platform and we will master it. Phase 9, the month 11 to 12, the AI agents and career preparation, agentic AI system and career readiness. This roadmap is designed in a way you can start your freelancing career as well and your job career as well, for which we will need to create end-to-end projects, which is our ticket to uh, make seat in a job market for us. Okay, 12 months project ready GenAI engineer. You will have multiple projects to showcase in your website, in a Replit, or in a GitHub. You will be absolute beast GenAI engineer and very beast freelancer. But in the freelance journey, we need to do some other courses to create our space in a freelance landscape. Okay. While this was a 12-month roadmap, and the most I need to express something else for you. This is the broader roadmap. In every phase, I will start finding those techniques and update this journey as well. Like for example, for the Python, we have a goal of 2 months, but I will focus on completed 1 month. Uh, how this is possible? This is possible because we have paid courses as well. The benefit of paid courses is you don't need to search for multiple things on the internet. You have a place where every essential thing is grabbed and uh, what should I call it? A good guideline or a good syllabus or a good structure of teaching. Courses are beneficial for that. Learning by yourself is good, but courses make you step ahead. Like if I'm learning Python on YouTube, I will gain fundamental knowledge in a month. When I'm uh, taking a course or a paid course, this thing will be done in 5 days. This is the most important thing, and I don't waste my time. I believe in that, and I need it. If a topic I need to learn, I will find the best way. I will find the best place to learn from that. Don't waste my time and learn things faster because time is a key and time is a money. Okay. Now we'll start on phase 1, which is the Python fundamentals. Let's see. Uh, okay. First, I needed to see that if the camera presentation is coming along with the live stream or not. Bear my English, guys. I'm not that good in English for now, but with time, I will be more fluent and you will love to learn from me. But with time, I will be more fluent. I think the screen is not visible. Give me. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Now you'll see. I'm a bit slow in the live streaming. I've started live streaming for the first time. Please avoid my mistakes. Okay. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Uh, let's see now. Give me 1 minute so I can see the screen is visible or not because I don't have any public to ask from if I'm visible or not. I need to cross check it as well. Okay. Present. Let's start with the phase one Python foundation. What are the most essential things to learn from the Python? You don't need to learn every library or every Python um, topic. You need to learn some smaller things a bit. Let's start with the phase one Python foundation. I love the Canva presentation, but Canva doesn't allow me to create multiple presentations, so I loved it a lot. But as a designer or as a design from the design background, I love the Canva presentation a bit more than a Gamma. For the goal, what are the goal? Developing Python skill for success. The primary goal of the phase one is to move from zero to knowledge, acquiring strong Python skills necessary for machine learning and generative AI. This foundation is crucial for future advancement. So the Python is the most important thing in this journey. Okay, what topics to learn and why these are important. For the topics to learn, we have variables, data types, loops for slash while, if and else functions, list, dictionaries, tuples, string manipulation, file reading, write, try, except, error handling. Which is why they say understanding these basic is essential for data loading, chunking, embedding, training, evaluation, and making API calls in ML and GenAI domain. Okay, mastery of this concept empowers you to write effective Python code for various applications, from not copying to code, uh, becoming a beast in the coding world. Okay, essential intermediate skills importance for GenAI. Okay, these are the essential skills you must need to learn. Object-oriented programming, which is called as OOP as well. Classes, objects, and inheritance, modules and packages, virtual environment, importing external libraries, working with JSON and CSVs, basic CLI scripts. What are the application of these things to be learned? Is that needed for the modular Gen AI apps, essential for LLM pipelines, crucial for developing agentic system. You may have been seen the agentic system or AI agent or this kind of thing. So these coding skills would be important for that as well. Okay, let's go forward. Recommended courses for that. If you want to learn in the fast pace, the first course is Python Bootcamp Comprehensive ML Training, which can be found on Udemy. The second course is Python for Beginners, Clear OOP explanation or object-oriented programming. I have shown that as well earlier. And data processing skills, automate tasks. Multiple Python courses are available on Udemy, but the course I loved a lot is from the Code Harry, which is an Indian guy, which have mm, created a Python course, and he had covered all the topics which are essential to become a good Gen AI engineer, or an AI engineer as well. Okay. Uh, Mastery topics which thing should be very on our hand tips are these: scripts, data, functions, libraries, errors, and GitHub. Write from scratch, rewrite CSV and JSON, build 10 to 15 custom functions, libraries install and import. We need to learn that. We need to learn that. Handling techniques like write slash accept and pushing our code to GitHub. Okay. So in the end of the Python, in the phase one, you need to develop two projects. What is data cleaning? One is data cleaning, and second is automation script. Okay. So in the phase one, we need to cover all of that. My point. Okay. Let's come to this screen. Okay, guys. I've shown you a lot of things today, and from tomorrow we will start learning it as well. Uh, we will talk about life as well. We will talk about our personal life as well here, and we will transform ourselves more uh, uh, through this journey. And I need you to say that please bear my language or communication skills for now. I will be. I will change it and transform myself as well. Or the reason of being here is that also we lag a lot in that, and this is the main thing I need to change in myself. Okay, if you may have seen my mistakes, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try to improve my learn from my mistake and improve my. As Tony Stark said, he learned from his mistakes. We as well learn from our mistakes, and uh, that's it for the now. And we will start with the phase one. The timeline is 2 months, but I will make sure it is covered in a month. I will make sure that. Uh, I have two domains to go with. If I may teach you guys, or if I tell you what to do. I think if I tell you what to do is more important because I'm not good in English that much. If I'm stuck in something, I will go deep, 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 deep on that, and there's no point in being going that deep into a topic which is not that important for you guys. From now on, I will only tell you what to do. And okay. This idea is great. This idea is great. I will tell you guys how can you learn it for free and how can you learn through paid courses. Okay, I myself is a great voter for the paid courses while it comes to learning because we if a thing gets to learn in 6 months, it can be learned in 2 months through paid courses because the course creator. But the essential thing is that you are learning from which creator or which teacher, how great is how great they are in their domain or their specific topic which they are learning. So I search a lot about that, and uh, sometimes my friends and my uh, fellow students ask me how you learn those complex things that much quickly. Is that I research before learning. I learn from the correct guys and start practicing it, applying it to my life. I have a big gap, a second big gap as well. I'm not that consistent. But if I may lose, if I need to study 3 hours a day, okay, if I miss that day, I will sit and study for the 9 hours. That's the quality in me because I love this. I love program. I love creating a application, learning about it, and doing stuff like that because I have a core interest in that field. If you don't have an interest in that field, you may have see the complications in learning. Complication in learning. Nothing is easy and nothing is hard. If you may have seen our maths problem when we were young, uh, we would have argue with our teachers why we need to learn these formulas, these mathematical numericals. Where do they apply? Where do they apply? Now we see. where did they apply, and why they were important to us, why they were very important to be learned. And when we solve a numerical, uh, uh, we make ourselves that we have done something, and we see the maths is the very easiest subject. You need to learn the right way. You need to learn the right thing. The maths is the most easiest subject uh, in our studies because we have learned it technical. The beauty of technical skills is that it looks very hard when you not learned it. Sorry, when you start learning it, understanding it, it becomes easy. And you say you have a special power, or you have a special guy. You have learned the thing. You have great in that. So I see many things while the machine learning algorithms. When I see them, I start to be. I take tension a lot. How will I cover? How will I be a great ML engineer or a ML ops engineer or a cloud infrastructure developer or cloud architect or AI designer or AI developer? What is the reason? Because we don't have enough knowledge now. When we grasp the knowledge, it becomes easy for us. You seeing that difference? Okay, this is it for now, and we will tomorrow, I guess. No, no. Yeah, definitely. Tomorrow I will be live streaming, and from now on, I will daily live stream for the 10 minute. But it doesn't matter. I come for the 10 minutes or 2 hours or 3 hours. It doesn't matter. Matters is I come daily. I come daily. Making myself consistent, making myself responsible, making myself more. Uh, what is the correct word for saying that you are consistent or disciplined? Sorry, discipline. When it comes to writing, I will be surely writing that word, but when I'm speaking it, it disappears. That I've didn't see the discipline word in my whole life. You see that lagging? This is the main thing I wanted to change. When I'm speaking, I don't think to learn in my native language. I need to learn, I need to think in English, I need to speak in English, I need to present myself well, I need to communicate my ideas good, I need to express myself good. This is the whole idea of live streaming. I can record smaller videos or chunk of video in which I can edit the sub task and remove my mistakes and present yourself as I am a good speaker, but I'm cheating with myself. You see the difference? I'm cheating with myself. I'm removing my mistakes. If I am removing my mistakes and I am uploading a pre-recorded videos, I'm recording a pre-recorded videos and uploading it to YouTube. How will be things changing in my life? How will be how will I improve myself? So live streaming is important. Important because I can see my mistakes and avoid those mistakes in coming videos or coming live streams. I will surely upload the videos as well, but I will don't edit them. I will upload short videos, but I will don't edit them or smaller chunk of the live stream to a regular videos, because in the live stream you talk about you sometimes go out of the topic as well, like this. We are talking out of the topic as well, because the reason I'm going out of the topic is because I needed to make a record of this, why I've started this, what is the reason. As Tanmay Bhatt says, when you start uploading videos and after 10 videos you don't upload videos and you give up, you don't remember why you have started. So I needed to be see I need to see these videos or my first video, why I've started this, why I need to upload daily. Why I uh, started this to improve my communication. The two reasons is there. One is communication skill. One is make yourself fluent and present yourself well. I've made multiple mistakes in this video. Multiple mistakes in this video. I know that. Slowly, slowly, we will improve that. As I said earlier, one of the great quote is stuck in my mind. It was not a quote, it was a short video, a reel, in which a person says, work, work, work. If you fail, I am a little better. Again, work, work, work. If I fail, I am a little better. This is the philosophy of this live stream. Work, work, work. I am failing at in something, I am a little better. Every step is important, step by step, step by step, step by step. Why I'm saying to you guys this? Because uh, many of our uh, friends and relatives they uh, laugh at something and they don't change this thing in their self. What is, what is the benefit of doing this? What is the benefit of doing that? And they laugh on you. And this is the main reason in subcontinent why people don't start that. People will laugh on us if we made a mistake. This is the complex we have. I don't give a damn to anyone. I don't think about anyone who ma nothing matters to me as well. That's why it's shown you that I don't here for the views, the comment, the growth, the subscriber raise, and one thing is important. I will deliver well enough. I will create a good thumbnail. I will create a good live stream. I will create a good video. At the end, the results are totally dependent on the luck, I guess, or the YouTube algorithm, which are also designed by the AI guys. So this is not important. Here, I will work on my projects, my personal project, and I will show you what I'm developing, what I'm doing. And if you may inspire for me, it will be a great reward for me if you can inspire for me and start transforming yourself. If anyone uh, start changing itself, our friend circle and our groups, they don't allow us to grow. I've seen it a lot. If I was talking in Urdu here, you will be blown away from my communication skill. You will be blown away from it because my thinking process is in Urdu and my thinking process is a bit changed. I'm translating here now. I need to change that as well. But the idea and the philosophy behind those are they are worried and uh, they are they are worried. If this guy grows and he made his life successful, and that's why they grab your legs. They grab your legs and steer you down. I don't have friends. I don't have uh, so he's my best friend or she's my best friend. I don't have those kind of guys in my life. I avoided them all. The most important thing to me, which matters, is my parents, my brother and sisters. That's the only thing which matters to me, and it should matters to you as well. And later on in your life, you will definitely see that. That's how the behavior of people change when you do something. When you make yourself make changes in yourself, they will not motivate you. They will demotivate you. Okay, that's the rapid. Oh, sorry, that's the rapid. I think this is the word I've and wrap. Let's wrap up, guys. Yes, this is the correct sentence. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow, and this is my chatting window. Okay, where it is. Yeah. The live will be ending soon. We will meet tomorrow. Okay? Allah Hafiz.